Okay, let's go through some of the problems on the quiz you had this last weekend and this week. Okay, so this one is pretty easy. Most of you got it right. It's just you distribute to the negative through. So negative times negative, this becomes positive 2x. Negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 8. And then you have to subtract the 3. So it's negative 8 minus 3, 2x minus 11. Okay, some of you stopped here. You're not done. You have to get this answer. All right, so the same thing you do over here. You're going to get positive 12 plus 3x minus 16. Put like terms together. It's 12 and the negative 16 are like terms, so 3x plus 12 minus 16. So your final answer should be 3x minus 4. You're done. Here is just integers. This is negative 5 plus 9 minus 1 is plus 1. Negative 5 plus 1 is the same as 1 minus 5, which is equal to negative 4. That's your answer. Okay, here, this should be really easy. So look at this one here. So the same denominator, right? So all you got to do is just put them together. So it becomes negative 1 minus 3 all over 2. This is plus, this is 2 minus 7 all over 3. And then finally, minus 3, negative 3 minus 1 all over 4. So that's what you need to do, right? And make sure you simplify. Negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4 over 2 plus negative 5 over 3 minus 4 over 4. Okay, negative 4 over 2, this is negative 2. Negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. Negative 4 over 4 is negative 1. And then minus what? 2.5 or 5 over 2, right? Okay, so what do you have? This is over 1. This is over 1, right? So you can say this is the same as negative 4 over 2. We could have just left, let's change this to this minus 2 over 2 minus 5 over 2. And then your answer is negative 11 over 2, right? Negative 4 minus 2, which is negative 6 minus 5, negative 11 over 2. If I can do this one right here, number 4, that means I should be able to do number 7, right? Okay, let's do number 7. So I have negative 1 half x. I'm going to remove the parentheses. There's a 1 here. You don't write it. So always, there's no number there, put your 1 there. So it's positive 1 that you're distributing through it. So it becomes negative half x plus 2/3 y, and then 1 times negative this, right? Here, some students made a mistake. So it's negative 1 distributing through the parentheses. So it's negative 1 becomes negative 3 over 2x. Negative 1 times negative 7 over 3 becomes positive 7 over 3. Y. Negative 1 times positive 1/4 becomes negative. Okay, so after that, what do I do? What should I do? I should look for like terms and combine them, right? So I'll have negative 1 over 2x minus 3 over 2x, right? And then I have positive 2 over 3y plus 7 over 3y, right? And then finally, what do I have? I have negative 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. That's what you have. So now that you have, see, these are the same denominator. Okay, so just take your time and combine everything. So this has become negative 4 over 2. So this is negative 2x, right? Plus 2/3 plus 7/3 is 9/3, which is plus 3y, right? Minus negative 3 minus this whole thing, this here is negative 4 over 4, which is negative 1. See that? So do not let the fractions scale, right? The whole thing is, okay, finding the least common denominator. All right. So here too, some students made a mistake here. Okay, that should be really quick. Combine like terms, right? So negative 7a minus 4 is negative 11a. Negative 3b plus 6b is positive 3b. And then negative 3 minus 9 is negative 12. That should be your answer. Here, you don't see any number there, but there's a 1 there. Always, when you don't see any number there, put 1 there. So it's positive 1 distributing through the parentheses. You're going to get the same thing. Here is negative 1 distributing through the minus c, minus 5, minus 3c. Combine like terms, right? 4c minus 7c. Okay, it's negative 3c minus 9. Negative c minus 3c. Negative 4c minus 5. And then again, we have negative 3c, so we get negative 7c minus 14. All right? Negative 7c minus 14. That's your answer. All right. Can you solve these equations here? What is the first step you should do? Underline your variable, right? And then move this 20 here is positive. So minus 20 minus 20. You'll be left with negative x over 7 is equal to 2 over 1. What do? Cross multiply. X equals negative 14. You're done, right? All right. What about this one here? First thing you do, identify your terms containing your variable. First thing, do that first. Move them together, right? 5 over 18c. This is positive here, minus 2 over 9c, right? Okay. And then next, I put my fractions together, 3/4 plus 2/9. Right. Okay. Fractions over and over, right? First thing you want to do is to make sure that they have the same denominator. Once you know that, what's the LCM of 9 and 18? It's 18. So you just got to change this one here. So it's 5 18s minus 4 18s. This one right here. Once I have the same denominator, I just subtract. So I have 1 over 18c, which is also the same as c over 18. On the left side and on the right side was the LCM of 4 and 9. What is it? 36, right? So this is times 9 times 9 is 27 over 36 plus 8 over 36, right? What do I get? C over 18 is equal to 35 over 36. How do you solve this? I'm going to cross multiply. I say 36c is equal to 18 times 35. Right? And then my c is 18 times 35 divided by my 36. Okay, use a little bit of experience here. Okay, the 18 goes here 1, 18 goes here 2. So what's my answer? 35 over 2, which is what? Also 17 and a half or 17.5. Got it? This is easy. Okay, you should get W equals 21, right? Because this is 6W minus 33 is equal to 30 minus 15W. Okay, again and again, what do? Underline the terms containing your variable and then group them. So I move 15, negative 15 to this side. I'll get 21W. And then it's equal to what? 63. 63 divided by 21 is 3. That should be your answer. Okay, it's number 10 here. X squared equals 9. All right, so this from 11 going on will be for the students in algebra. So the pre-algebra 1 to 10, we're done. All right, so x squared equals 9. What is x? X equals square root of 9. X is the number when you multiply gets you a 9. And that answer is 3 or negative 3. Remember, negative 3 times negative 3 equals also positive 9. So this is the correct one. Okay, what about this one here? X squared minus 36 equals 0. It's the same as x squared is equal to what? 36. Again, x is what? Square root of 36. And it's positive or negative 6. So that's the correct one. Here, how do you solve this one here? X squared plus 3x. What are you going to do? You're going to factor. This is equal to 0. If you have quadratic, right? Pay attention that x squared, that's quadratic. So you have x squared, and then there's x term equals 0, factor. Set each equals 0. X equals 0, and then x plus 3, 2 is equal to 0. So we have 2, x equals 0, and then negative 3. 0 or negative 3. This is your answer. Right? Okay, x squared plus 10x plus 21 equals 0. All right, AC method, right? AC method. What's your A? A equals 1. C equals 21. 1 times 21 is equal to 21. Factors of 21 that add up to positive 10, 3, 7. So we come here and write the positive 10 into 3x plus 7x plus 21. All right? Factorization by grouping. X, x, x plus 3 plus 7, x plus 3 equals 0. What is common again? X plus 3 is common. Take it out. If we take x plus 3 out, we'll be left at x plus 7 equals 0. This is what you're going to set to be equal to 0. And then you have x equals negative 3, x equals negative 7. Those are your answers. Again, here, factorization by, I'm sorry, AC method. 3 times 5 is 15. Factors of 15 that adds up to 16 will be what? 15 and 1. That's what you're going to split up. So 3x plus x plus 15x plus 5. Factor by grouping x. Okay, you take x out, x plus. Take x out. Oh no, now what? 3x, sorry, 3x squared. You take x out, 3x plus 1, plus we take 5 out, 3x plus 1. All right, what else? So this is common, okay? Factorization by grouping. Then you take the one that's common, take it out, and then you bring what's left, x plus 5. This is equal to 0. And then you set each one equals 0, which means x equals negative 1 over 3. And then this one too, x plus 5 equals 0. X equals negative 5. This is negative 1 over 3. Sorry. All right, that's it. So I'll send another set of questions that's similar to these ones. All right, go over these, watch the video, make any corrections, keep on practicing, and all things being equal, you shall what? You shall bloom. Welcome to Bloom.